Considering a Mazda CUV? Here's a quick look at the rear cargo space for the Mazda CX-5, CX-9, and CX-30. First up, the CX-5. There's easily space for 3 to 4 suitcases of varying sizes in the rear hatch. And if you need more space, you could potentially stack another 2 or 3 on top of the others. And next up is the CX-9. Now, with the third row up, you're a bit limited in what you can store back there. However, with those third row seats down, you have a full 71.2 cubic feet of space. I was easily able to fit 4 suitcases and still had a good foot of space available between the luggage and the liftgate. And finally, the Mazda CX-30. This is definitely the smallest of the 3 options, but there's still 20.2 cubic feet to work with. And as you can see, that's ample space for these 3 suitcases. So there you have it. If you'd like to see other comparisons or you have any questions at all, be sure to leave those in the comments below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.